I made over $3,000 with my 2 Demo data miners, which would be worth over $7,000 today if I had held on to every Demo token. Ouch. In this video, I'm going to review some new exciting updates to the Demo project, go through a profitability analysis of my 2 Demo data miners, and finally go through a break-even analysis so you have all the info you need to determine if now is a good time to start driving with Demo. Now let's start off with a quick background. What is Demo? Demo stands for Digital Infrastructure for Moving Objects. The goal for vehicle owners is to use Demo to get more out of their vehicles. Demo apps allow them to collect, use, and monetize the data from their vehicles, which can be collected using the Demo mobile app and the Demo data hardware device. Developers and data consumers can build apps and services on the platform, reducing the cost for delivering mobility products and services. New apps are being built every day on Demo, with goals from offering cheaper car insurance, more efficient car maintenance and diagnostics, to cheaper auto loans. And they're really just getting started. I'm going to show you a couple features within the Demo app. So in the Vehicle tab, it'll show the different vehicles that you have registered with Demo. It'll also give you different metrics on the vehicle in terms of the gas range, the battery voltage, and the current market value of your vehicle. It'll also show when the last time the vehicle was driven. And to get your weekly rewards, you just need to drive once. It does not matter how much you drive. As long as you drive your vehicle once, you'll get a full weekly reward. This is different from some other drive to earn apps where you get rewarded for every mile you drive. And if you go to the Market tab, it'll show you your current Demo rewards balance, and you can look at your rewards history, as well as they have all the different various apps that are available to purchase with your Demo tokens. I personally have not purchased any of these apps that they're developing, but if there is something that comes up that's interesting, I may purchase something in the future. So at this point, I'm just earning Demo rewards for my driving. If you have a Tesla or a newer vehicle with smart car integration, you can download the Demo app for free, connect your vehicle, and start earning Demo tokens today. Scan this QR code right here to download the app now. All other vehicles 2012 or newer will need the Demo AutoPi device, which can be purchased from Demo currently for $369. Current shipment estimates are between 1 and 2 weeks from order date, and they are also working on adding support for vehicles made between 2008 and 2011. Now it is very easy to set up. You just connect it to your vehicle's OBD port located under the steering wheel and can connect it to the app. As an added incentive, you can use my referral code, which I'll put on the screen now. And once you connect your vehicle, you'll get an additional 50 Demo tokens, which is worth about $10 at today's prices. I'll also put my referral code in the description of this video below, but by no means feel obligated to use my referral code. Now, this referral bonus is available for people that are using smart car integration, as well as people that are connecting the Demo data miner device. Next, let's look at the Demo data token. The token debuted on December 15th of 2022. It's currently ranked number 693 in terms of crypto market cap and has a market cap of 15 million and is currently trading at just under 18 cents per token. Wow, we just saw a big drop there. Not a great day for Demo today. It is traded both on the Polygon and the Ethereum blockchains. And as we see below, the coin did go on quite a run recently. That's because of recent news where Demo was announced to be listing on Coinbase, and that was effective on April 18th. So we really saw a big pump in the Demo price on the cusp of that announcement. So despite the pullback that we're seeing today, it's been a very strong last week or two for Demo. Now, I personally have not traded any Demo tokens on Coinbase yet, and I'm really not planning to. I traded all my Demo tokens using MetaMask. They have a swap feature on MetaMask where I can swap Demo for Matic or other cryptocurrencies using the Polygon network. The gas fees are much lower on Polygon, so that's the network I prefer to use. But hopefully the listing of Demo on Coinbase will bring additional interest into the project via traders and speculators, which will increase demand and hopefully increase the price of the Demo token in the long run. Next, let's take a quick look at how much I've made with my 2 Demo data miners so far. So for this analysis, I'm using the current Demo price today of 18.4 cents per token here on April 21st. The coin price has been quite volatile over the past several days. As of yesterday, it was 23 cents, and it's gotten low as 17 cents today. So for this analysis here, we're going to use this 18.4 cents, which was the price right before I started filming here. Purchased my 2 Demo data miners for $690. I purchased them on February 15th of 2022. So my purchase cost was $345 per miner, and like I mentioned earlier, it's currently priced at $369. So a little higher than what I'd originally paid for, but really not a big difference than the price I paid over a year ago. Now my Demo earnings to date for these miners is 37,460 Demo tokens. Now this does include an initial airdrop that I received for being an early participant of this project. And to date, I've sold 34,677 tokens at a total USD value of $2,603. I have various sell dates. What I did is I pulled a Polyscan export from my MetaMask wallet of all my different sales. Most of my sales occurred back in January, unfortunately, when the price was right around 5.5 cents per token. So obviously in retrospect, it would have been better to hold on to those tokens and not sell at that time, but hindsight is 2020. So currently today, I have a leftover demo balance of 2,783 tokens, which if we take times that 18.4 cents per token price, we're looking at a total value currently of $513 left over in demo tokens. So my total earnings today of my sold tokens and my current token balance is $3,117. If I had just taken that 37,000 tokens and not sold any, taking times the current price, we'd be looking at a total earnings value of 6,900. Another thing to keep in mind is this demo token price has been extremely volatile over the past couple days. I know earlier this week it hit almost 30 cents per token. So if we take my total earnings of $3,117 minus my purchase cost, we're looking at a net profit so far of $2,427. Not bad for a bear market. Now it's great that I made money in this project, but that really doesn't help you if you're looking at getting into this project. So let's look at what the current ROI would be if you're looking to get into this project today. The assumptions we're going to use in this analysis, we're going to assume no change in the token price. We're going to use the current price of 18.4 cents per token today. Obviously, the token is very volatile and it's going to change over time. But for this purpose of this analysis, we're going to use a constant token price. In the second assumption, we're going to assume a percentage change in weekly rewards that stays at current trend. What we'll do is we'll look at my earnings history paid out each week and see how the number of tokens I've been earning has been changing each week. It's gradually been going down over time since there's a fixed amount of pool of demo tokens that are rewarded and there's more and more people that are joining in this project, so you get a lower token reward each week. Next, based on Demo's website, they're expecting a 1 to 2 week shipping date from order date. So we're going to assume a 2-week shipping date and assume if you were to purchase the miner today, you'd be able to get online with your device in about 2 weeks. And then finally, last assumption, I'm not going to count for any level changes. You get rewarded in Demo for keeping your device connected for multiple weeks, but the impact of having a higher level is somewhat minimal at this point. So for the purposes of this exercise, we're not going to assume an increase in level over time, but really this level impact would actually increase the profitability of this and shorten your break-even time. It just wouldn't have a real drastic impact at this point. So for this analysis, we're going to use the current demo price of 18.46 cents and the current demo data miner costs on their website of $369. So first, let's look at my weekly earnings trend since the token went live in December of last year. So you can see, like I mentioned earlier, the demo award amount that I'm receiving each week has consistently gone down over time. I get paid out every Monday, so we get weekly payouts. So you can see here, we were going from 700 to 600, 500, 400, and now we're right around 250 tokens that were paid out last week. So what I did here is I took the number of tokens that I received each week and then looked at it as a percentage of what the percentage change is over time. So if we look at the last 7 weeks, excluding the level increase week, we're looking on average, we're decreasing our reward amount by about 5% each week. Next, let's estimate the future value of demo rewards using that 5% reduction in rewards each week. So we're going to assume the next 2 weeks you'd have no rewards because you're waiting for your device to be shipped. So your first week of rewards would be May 8th. And based on this analysis, you'd have a 5% reduction in rewards each week, and it would take 13 weeks from today to break even. So you'd have $387 in cumulative rewards over that time to recoup the initial cost of the $369 for the device. Now, once again, that's assuming a constant price for the demo token over that time period, which obviously won't be the case. Chances are the price of demo is much different by the time you're watching this than when I'm filming it. But for purposes of this exercise, we're just trying to get a rough idea of how long it'll take to pay back your cost for this device. Now, the good thing about this device is there's really no ongoing cost for this. So it's really a one-time cost to purchase this device, and you don't have any ongoing electric or maintenance or fees that you have to pay associated with this device. Now, if you're finding this analysis helpful, I really would appreciate if you hit that like button. It really does help to promote the video and promote the channel. Thank you. So really 13 weeks is really a good break even, especially when you compare to most other cryptocurrency mining projects out there right now, especially in the middle of this bear market. You're seeing a lot of break evens in the years and not quantified in weeks. So I think 13 weeks is very lucrative at this point. But obviously this is also not financial advice. I'm not telling you should go out and buy the Demo data miner. I'm just trying to lay out the numbers so you have them available to you so you can make the best decision for your situation. In my first Demo review video released about 5 months ago on this channel, I was very critical of the Demo project. At the time, the project did not have a token that had gone live yet. The crypto market was looking extremely bearish, and I had said I regretted purchasing my device, and if I could go back in time, I wouldn't purchase it again. Now, obviously, now that the coin has gone live, this project has ended up being a big winner for me. So I just want to raise my hand here and say I was wrong. Now, would I bet the farm on Demo long term? Absolutely not. I think competition is on its way with other smart car integrations, and I think this is still an unproven business model at this point. Like I've said in prior videos, those that get into projects earliest tend to reap the most rewards. The low price point for the Demo data miner, plus the short break-even time period, and the fact that there's no ongoing maintenance or expense associated with this project make it very lucrative, in my opinion, to jump into. Even better if you have a car with smart car integration and you can get started for free today. What are your opinions on Demo? Do you agree with my assessment? Let me know in the comments section below. I'm always interested to see what other people's take are. If you enjoyed this analysis, check out one of my other videos over here. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.